Hi guys, my name's Colby. This is my final. It's on coaching, which is hopefully my future job. So what does a coach do? Coaches help teach new skills. So like a football coach teaches tips and ways to get better at football. Basketball coach does the same thing with basketball. A life coach does the same thing with trying to improve the success in your life. Builds character in the new generations. So like if you have a bad game, you pay for it in practice, you run sprints, whatever. And then you also keep constantly practicing to get better, to find improvement. Leads as a role model. A coach is someone that you should be able to look up to, someone who helps you with your problems on and off the field, and overall someone you should idolize in your life. My starting job plan. So after I graduate college, I want to apply to high schools for a coaching job. I also want to volunteer at the college I went to try to get one-on-one time with the coach as well. Uh, High school coaches make around $45,000 a year, and every application process is different, but it's mostly interviews. Here's the school I went to before I moved here. It's probably the first place I will try to apply at. Requirements. So every high school is different, but the main things are a bachelor's degree, experience coaching or with the sport, youth coaching certification, and CPR and aid certification. You have to know how to be able to save people if something were to go down, and you have to have experience with youth. How does this help me prepare for my future? How does this class help me prepare for my future career? Where this has helped me become a better speaker. It's also shown me ways to research my ideas if something has gone wrong or I need help. And it has taught me discipline and responsibility with making sure I get everything done on time. Why should I be hired? I've played football for 6 years. I've also been watching the sport since I was a kid. Or I've won awards during my youth football days, like receiver of the year. Here's a video of me scoring a touchdown in Dallas Cowboys Stadium. I'm number 10. And then fun facts. High school coaches can make up to $70,000 a year. The coaching certification is 80 hours. And my future, which is a college head coach, but according to Tuscaloosa News, Alabama head coach Nick Saban makes $9.3 million in the year of 2020, which is a lot. And here's my works cited.